I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get ghost dogs in Wobbledogs. First, you'll need to understand the game's unique mutation system. Ghost dogs are a special variant, often appearing through specific environmental factors and dietary choices. We'll cover the key steps to guide your wobbly companions toward this ethereal form. It involves careful planning and a bit of luck, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to adding these spooky pups to your collection. Let's dive into the details. To begin, grasp the fundamental mutation mechanics. Wobbledogs can mutate based on their diet and the environment they inhabit. Ghost dogs are often linked to specific gut flora states, which are influenced by what your dog eats. Pay close attention to the various food types and their effects on your dog's internal chemistry. Understanding these core principles is your first step towards cultivating the unique traits needed for a ghost dog. Next, focus on diet and environment. Ghost dogs are frequently associated with a specific gut flora, often achieved by feeding your dog particular food items. Experiment with different kibble types and observe the changes in their internal makeup. Additionally, the environment can subtly influence mutations. Ensure your dog's pen is set up to encourage the desired outcomes, perhaps by introducing certain objects or maintaining specific conditions. Finally, leverage the breeding system. Once you have dogs exhibiting traits that lean towards the ghost mutation, breed them together. This increases the likelihood of their offspring inheriting the desired characteristics. Incubate the eggs in an environment that supports the development of these unique pups. Remember, achieving a ghost dog can take several generations and a good deal of patience, but the reward of a spectral companion is well worth the effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.